Today we are going to discuss about what is the plantar fasciitis. As you know, what is the plantar fasciitis? Inflammation of the plantar fascia. Firstly, we are talking about what is the plantar fascia. Plantar fascia जो है is the long thin ligament that lies directly beneath the skin on the bottom of the foot. It connects heel to the front of foot and support the arch. What is plantar fasciitis? Inflammation of the plantar fascia. Most common cause of heel pain. It is the inflammation of plantar fascia. हम डिस्कस पहले कर चुके हैं ये टिश्यू इन द फुट यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग वॉकिंग एंड द फुट मूवमेंट. Then what is the clinical features? A sharp localized pain at the heel. In some cases, heel spurs may be found. Pain on the bottom of foot near the heel. Pain with the first few steps after getting out of bed in the morning or after a long period of rest, such as after a long car ride. Greater pain after exercise or activity. You can also see in this picture common characteristics of plantar fascia pain occurs at the bottom of foot or near heel, more severe in the morning, worsen after carrying weight, alleviate with the rest, cause heel swelling and the stiffness. Then what is the causes? New and increased activity, repetitive high impact activity like running, dancing, sports, prolonged standing on hard surfaces, especially among nurses, factory workers, teachers, anatomy, flat fit or a high arch, tight calf muscles, obesity, age most common among people aged 40 to 60. Then what are the risk factors of the plantar fasciitis? Risk factors, the plantar fascia is most commonly occur in the women, overweight, obese, and pregnancy between ages 40 and 60, flat feet or very high arches, tight Achilles tendons, inward pronation. Inward pronation, what is inward pronation? Ankle turns inward as you walk. Then running, jumping, or dancing, such as ballet, tight calf muscles, wear shoes with thin soles or without arch support. These are all the risk factors of the plantar fasciitis. Then how can we diagnose the plantar fasciitis? मेडिकल हिस्ट्री, हमें सबसे पहले तो उसकी मेडिकल हिस्ट्री पूरी पता होना चाहिए. देन सेकेंड नंबर पे है फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन. Limited upward movement of the ankle. You can see in this picture limited upward mobility of the ankle area in front of your heel bone where the greatest tenderness occur. High arch pain that worsen when you flex your foot. Then is the ultrasonography. It can be a relatively simple, effective, and non-invasive, reliable method for the measurement of the plantar fascia thickness. Then is the windlass test. Windlass test, how can perform a windlass test? You can see in this picture, windlass test. Direct stretch on the plantar aponeurosis passively extend the first metatarsopharyngeal joints while allowing the interpharyngeal joint to flex. Windlass mean tightening or rope or the cable. Then is the ultrasound or the MRI. Firstly जो windlass test है, this test to assess for the plantar fasciitis, which is the one of the leading cause of the heel pain next to the Achilles tendinopathy. Then is the MRI. It has good soft tissue resolution and can clearly and accurately show the anatomical structure of the plantar fascia and its pathological changes. It can be used to visualize the plantar fascia thickening. Then is the blood test. If patient present with the bilateral heel pain in association with the systemic system, then the blood should be screened for inflammatory markers such as the ESR and ANA. ESR जो है वो raised होता है जब कोई भी body के अंदर inflammation वगैरह चल रही हो. Then is the podiatrist. Podiatrist is a doctor which is trained to treat the foot, ankle and the lower leg issues वगैरह को ट्रीट करने के लिए ये जो है स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं. अगर कंजर्वेटिव मैनेजमेंट या जो फिजिशियन है उनसे ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हो रहा होता प्लांटर fasciitis का, देन जो है इनको रेफर किया जाता है. Then what is the treatment of the medical treatment of the plantar fasciitis is the anti-inflammatory agents, cortisone injection and the fasciotomy. एक्यूट एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी एजेंट्स 10 to 14 डे का कोर्स होता है ये. ट्रीटमेंट यूजली बिगिंस विद मेडिकेशंस टू मैनेज द पेन एंड अंडरलाइंग इन्फ्लेमेशन एसोसिएटेड विद द कंडीशंस. Common OTC medicines such as ibuprofen, Advil, naproxen, Aleve can help reduce plantar fasciitis pain and the swelling. Then is the cortisone injection. It can ease pain and swelling in the affected area for up to 6 months, allowing the patient to rehabilitate the plantar fasciitis more effectively. Note that it doesn't cure plantar fasciitis. Cortisone injections are administered sparingly, no more than twice a year. Then is the surgical procedure, which is fasciotomy. It is surgical procedure that treat plantar fasciitis, sometimes called the heel spurs. It cause stabbing or burning heel pain. This procedure utilized to relieve the inflammation of the plantar fascial ligament. Local or general anesthesia may be used. In this procedure, small incisions on the side of the heel near the ankle bone, and then fascia को जो है उसको release किया जाता है fascia को. So this is the surgical procedure which is used for the plantar fasciitis. Thank you.